Hello guys, my name is Samara. I'm on behalf of Nuphy and we're a company based on Shenzhen and we focus on making mechanical keyboard. So I will be showing you guys to some of our new release in this year. So I will possibly start with one of our best sellers, Air series. So this year we have launched Air series version 2. So the differences between the version 2 and the version 1 will be we're adding some system differences. So it provides our user more choice. It basically supported QMK and also VIA. We also launched a couple of different colors for people to as their option. So there's 3 colors in this line, which is white, gray, and black. So we're going to take our very new release, which is a Halo 75 V2. We also do what we have done to Air series. And the differences between the version 2 and version 1 is we changed the case as a plastic instead of aluminum to make it a very lightweight. And the appearance, as you guys can see, looks a little bit different and we add more design. The biggest differences between V2 and V1 would be the sound. So as you can hear in these videos. And we also have a multiple color. It is a new release, so now it's on the pre-sale period. The pre-sale time will be 45 days. We have actually 5 colors for option choosing based on your taste. And we will be showing you guys some accessory that it will have more option as well, same as our keyboard. And yep. Back to version 2, we have also updated our accessory. The differences between version 1 and version 2 will be we have been adding more magnetic, so giving a little bit steady package whenever that you're going to travel, so you don't have to worry about it will like fall off whenever you're carrying them away for travel. Yeah. And our biggest special in this year's will be our Gem 80 series, which they are quite new in our line. They are fully customized and they have a gasket system, and it also supports VIA and also QMK. We provide multiple colors, so it is totally DIY for our user. And I will show you guys some features. The first thing is they're totally sold separately. So you can choose your keycap and also switches. We have been working with Gateron and also Cherry to provide you guys with more choice. And we also have this manpad which can take off. Yeah, they're magnetic. We will launch more different color manpad. Yep. So this keyboard is fully customized, and unlike most of the keyboard in the market, it's actually customized keyboards. We made the button shells as a plastic to give it a better connection while you're gaming. So, and there's also a lot of relay accessory. This is our wooden wrist rest, which really compact. We have almost everything to pack together, and also desk mat to match your desk. So let's come together and check some feature of our Nuphy Gem 80. Compared to the most of the keyboard in the market, we have a very clean and functionalistic design and omni mount gasket at the top. Based on a different fixation, the feel actually is quite different. Yep. And we also provided with customer multiple of switches choice. We work with Gateron with 4 switches, so they are quite different. Which is this is tactile. No, sorry, this is linear. This is tactile. This is tactile, linear, and linear. And also we working with Cherry with the silent red. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the switches. And also we add some bump in our keycap to allow you to see clearly while you are typing or gaming in a very dark surrounding. As you can see here, the black one. Okay. So most of our products which we just introduced right now, they are all released in our website. Aside from our Halo 75, they're still in the period of a pre-sale. So our goods will be shipped after 45 days. And check our website for more. We're Nuphy. Bye.